Okay guys, so this is my one, wait, two, three, four, okay, good. Four, is this my fifth time, guys? Is this my fifth time? This is my fifth time. Anyways. Wait, why did I delete that photo? Wait, hold on. Oh my gosh. Why would I delete these? Guys, don't click these. Don't. Oh my god, that could have been really bad. Oh, I need all these. Oh, that's cute. I need that. Oh, it was me who ate her. My video's uploaded. Okay, good. Sorry, back to work, guys. This is my fifth time on Quill. Like when I tell you, like I was like halfway done with the sheet too. I didn't do this part, so I have to do everything, re-erase everything. Okay, so ignore what I got going on right now because this is wrong. It's just wrong. My Chromebook turned off. I really need a pee, so we're gonna try and speedrun this. Okay, boom. So essentially, do you see this? We're gonna do this again. This is our tiny triangle. Let's move that over. This is our big triangle right here. What a flock. A good boy. Be a good boy. Go back to your house. You're not even going to your house. You just drove by your house. Why would you do that? Why would you not even go back to your fucking house? Piss me off. Okay. Back to work. So, this is our big triangle right here. This. What the actual fuck? Bro, let me find out. God is testing me today. God testing me. Okay, we're getting to work ASAP. This is our big triangle. It's better if we can like visualize it down here. This is our big triangle, by the way. By the way, we're shrinking it down though. It takes up too much room. This is our tiny triangle right here. Okay, we got our big triangle and our tiny triangle, right? So on our big triangle, it's telling us that this is labeled 17 and 14 right here. We know this because of the arrows. So this means that this whole entire side right here is 7, and then this whole entire side right here is 14. Right? Okay, boom. Now on our tiny triangle, we don't know anything. We don't know anything right there, right? But, do you see this? This extra space is not a part of the triangle. And since we don't know any of the sides of the triangle, we can use the extra space length, because this is like the length of the extra space, right? We can subtract that from this side right here, 7, to find out the length of the mini triangle, and that's 4. So now I can erase this, right? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, but do you guys understand? It's because 7 is the sum of everything, including the space. And if we were to take away the space in which they gave us the number, the length of that, then that'll give us the one side. Okay, I'm gonna show you. And also, I learned out that you can't use scale factor. I even asked ChatGPT to solve one of these because I was looking at the actual answer. I'm just like, wait, why doesn't this match up when I use the scale factor? But like, it's been a long day today, guys. Anyways, so this is what we're gonna do. So do you see how these two lines are parallel from each other? These two lines are parallel from each other. So basically, I'm going to highlight this in a way. Okay, this is a big triangle. Remember that. This is a tiny triangle. We're going to write out the triangle numbers. So we're going to do 4 over x, which is our question mark. But if you were to like write question mark, they'd be like, why the fuck are you using question mark? Just use x, because that's the same thing. Same thing. So why wouldn't you just write it out of fucking x? You know what I mean? Okay. Equals, and you're going to do 7 over 14. All the other stuff about big over small, that applies to other stuff other than finding the missing length indicated. Because you want the numbers to be in a row. Like this is a row right here. The parallel numbers right here, the parallelness right here, you want them across from each other. Not below each other. Like, you know? Okay, anyways, so I've done this problem a good lot of times, guys. So I already know it's 7x equals, we're doing the x times 7, and after you're done multiplying that part, you're going to put an equal sign, and then you're going to do 14 times 4, which is 56, and then you got to get x by itself, so then 7, and that is equal, x is equal to, it was 6, right? Oh shit, it was 8. I was so close. Sorry guys, I'm just like, this is that. Okay, boom, next one. So as you can see, this blue line is telling us that this whole entire triangle, which is, I'll do it again for you, don't worry. That was really bad. I'm not going to draw the whole triangle because I'm too lazy for that, guys, today. This is our triangle. And then our mini triangle, I really need to be like really, really, really bad. This is our other mini triangle. Oh no. My cousin just texted me help. What happened? Bro, this bitch just said I'm twalk.
Your call has been forwarded.
Bro, she's at a fucking concert. I'm at the concert, I know. What happened? No! Sorry guys, hold on. I'm fucking everybody just wants to give me a big fucking migraine right now. I'm gonna genuinely. Why would you do that? Why would you? I'm actually pressed. Okay, so as I was saying, 32 is the sum. Oh shit. Okay, my bad. So 32 on this side, and then 72, right? Now we don't have any of the angles for the tiny triangle, right? However, the missing space right here, since 32 is a sum, and we know this because of the arrows, we can subtract 20 minus 32, and 20 is the extra space, to find one of the sides of the tiny triangles, and that is 12. So let me just erase this. Erase, 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 erase. 12. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now remember, these lines are parallel to each other. These lines are parallel to each other. Yep, yep, yep. So we want either 72 at the top and like X at the top too, or just like on the bottom, whatever, just like across from each other. Anyways, so then we're gonna write, let's do, we just found out X, so we can do like X over 12, and then 32, I don't even know, that doesn't even make sense. I don't even know if we're going to 32 and then 72. Boom, we do a little multiplication. That is, stop doing this to me. 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 That is equal to 32x, which is equal to 864, which is divided by 32, 32, 32, 32. That is equal to x equals 27. Boom. Okay, next one. So we have what is it? We have yep, 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 yep. These are the same, and then these are the same, whatever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do x over 12. I don't even know why I'm doing it in this order. It doesn't even matter at this point. So 12, x over 12, x over 12, and then it's equal to, would that even be the same fucking thing? Are you fucking retarded? Those lines aren't parallel to each other. I'm not even making sense. And then we would put 15 at the bottom because we want them, like, these ones are right next to each other. These ones are right next to each other. Yep, yep, yep. Boom, we do a little multiplication. That is 240 over, not over, which is equal to 15x. Oh my god, 15x over 15 over 15, which is equal to x equals 16. That's that. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. So we have our mini triangle right here. Grab it, put it down there. We have one side 8, we have the other side 14, right? And then for a bigger triangle, which is this one right here, which give me it. Boom, 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 boom. And it's telling me that 20 is the side of this whole entire big one. You have to pay attention to like the lines, because if it doesn't have a line, then it's telling you that it's just part of one, right? Okay, so but this time we're trying to find the other big side of the thing. So this is our question mark, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go like, we will do 14 over, hold on, 14 over 8, because we're using these triangle numbers, and then for the other ones we're using, oh my god, we're using which is equal to, let's see, so it would be 20, I fucking missed a step. This is the step we've been doing this whole entire time, bro. We could have found this missing angle right here, bro. And you just do 20 minus 8. that would be 12. So this side is 12, in which then you do x over 12. Okay. But to me, that doesn't really make sense, because it's like, what the fuck? Because I think what happened here, let's redo this. You were so focused on the bigger picture, the triangle, that you didn't take a step back to realize that there was not another like triangle in like the mini triangle. Do you understand? I understand, so I hope you guys understand. I'm gonna put in the bio to skip over question 18. Anyway, so there's a triangle right here though, and we know that this one is 8 and 14, and then we have on this side, this portion, whatever, we know that this whole entire side is 20, but we don't have any of the angles for this one, right? So then what we're going to do is we're going to do 20 minus 8, which is equal to 12, and then we can finally finish the equation. So then it would be, hold on, Papa's freaking out again. So it'd be this one and this one, so 12, and then it would be this one and this one. Anyways, so x would be x over 12 is equal to 14 over 8, which you do your little mathy math. 8x is equal to 168 over 8, and that is equal to 21. So x would be 21. Boom, boom, boom. So this time we're trying to find the missing space right here, right? Yeah, this is a big triangle. But think about it. We have 3 of the sides, in which we need 3 of the sides, so we have 3 of the numbers. So what I'm thinking we can do, since these are the same and these are the same, we're gonna do 25 over 20, and then we're gonna, you motherfucker, x over 4. No, let me scroll down. Yep. And that would be 20x equals 100, which then you do that. Which x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Boom. Okay, let's do this one. Guys, I don't think any math thing has given me as big of like a headache as like this one has. Okay. This is missing space right here. This is extra space, right? But the thing is, this is like the triangle, right? And this is like the bigger triangle, right? Anyways, so in the bigger triangle, I'm done doing that like little life hack thing. We got a 15 and a 10. Now we're trying to find the littler one, which we don't know yet. However, the missing space, the length is 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to minus it from 10, which is equal to 8. And the reason why we did that up there is because it's literally on this line. Like the measurements might be different down here than it is up there. You see? Anyway, so then this one is 8. Boom. So then this one's the same, this one's the same, this one's the same, this one's the same. Put into your little equation would be x over 8 or 8 over x is equal to 10 over 15. Do your little equation, 10x is equal to 120 divided by 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 divided by 10 is equal, x is equal to 12. Boom, guys. Oh my god.